Alright, here we go for adding a vehicle in the website editor. Open Google. We gotta log into Weebly. Alright, so once we're logged into Weebly, we're going to go back. We're going to go to Store. Alright, so the internet's being kind of slow. Alright, so here in Weebly we have our products. We have stuff that's already been added. And there's no need to really delete stuff unless you want to. But to start adding a car, you should have already had your vehicle pictures taken. And it's important to, because of Facebook, to add the pictures in the correct order. So we're going to use an example of one and not a real vehicle, like an older vehicle. We go to Add Product over here in the top right. First, what you want to do is where it says Product Images, is open that. It's directed to go to your pictures in your File Explorer. We'll go back and we'll just make a fake vehicle right quick. So we'll use this old Honda Ridgeline. So the correct pictures to use are side shots. And it's so use a side shot. You open that. And the very first time you load a vehicle in, don't upload more than that one side shot. And that's not a good side shot, as an example of what you actually want. But while that's loading, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the live website. But whatever this is, like say this is a 2006 Honda Ridgeline EX. I put the model because all that's searchable. Put your price, so let's say it's $4,500. Don't put a short description unless you're wanting to advertise through short descriptions. We're not really worried about any of this. You can mark that because nobody's checking out anyways. We're not worried about the SEO on this product because this product's not going to be permanent. It's not like we're selling the same SKU or the same product over and over and over, and people don't buy from us online anyways. So it's really all you have to do in the editor. Alright, then you can hit save and view, not just save. This is going to take you to the part where we actually edit stuff. So here's your live website, and you see how it says 2006 Hyundai Azera and the price, and that's the description that I was talking about that shows up. So it's going to take you into your web editor. So here's our title, price, there's the share buttons, and this is the editor too, by the way. So over here on the left side they have title, text, image, gallery, slideshow, map. All we're concerned about on every vehicle is just follow this exact same pattern every time. Grab a text, drag it and drop it. In Weebly everything shows up like a little blue highlighter. You can kill something that you added. You can click into it to do it. You have formatting options, all the different types of formatting that you can do. We're going to add another text box, so I grab it and it's showing me, see the little blue line on top, that would tell me that I'm going to drop this parallel to that one or below it. I go over here, it's hard to see, but you can see the blue, it shows up, and that's for the layout and design. So I'm going to drop it right next to it. So now I have two boxes side by side. They're splitting the difference, you don't have to mess with that. Alright, now we add two images, an image box on the far right, and now it says upload image. I grab another image box and I can drop it right on top of that one. And that's for the people who are searching our hopefully our customers' ease of access to Kelley Blue Book and NADA guides. Alright, so something we also have opened up is on our documents we have up under Weebly and SEO. Let me see, where is it at? It's going to be, maybe it's up under this. It's inventory. Should be up under notes. Alright, so you have your different templates that we've built, and these are what you want to use. So we're going to be using what's called a vehicle data point field. So you open that, and you can see it has a couple different ranges built in. So I'm going to copy and paste this first. This is with the boxes, or these text boxes. So I'm going to Control-C or copy. I'm going to open back up where we're at in Weebly. I'm going to click right here. Alright, I'm going to left click to paste as plain text. So I just added that. So you see how it's red right now because that's the formatting on the website. Our website font is set to show in red. We want this in black. It makes it easier to read. So you just come over here, and all I did was click on the A. With that means change color. I'm going to click on black. That's just a basic black color. You can see how it changed that now. And then I'm going to increase font size one time, so it increased the font size a little bit. Makes it easier for people to read. I'm going to come back here to our notepad at the bottom. I'm going to highlight that, copy. I'm going to do the same process, paste as plain text, re-highlight it, make it black, plus it one time. So now you have your fields that you want to enter in. So I don't even know what kind of vehicle this is really beyond the year, I mean the make and the model, but if it's a 2004, I put 2004 Honda Ridgeline, whatever the mileage is. So it's, let's say it had 120,000 miles or something. The body style, I would say it's a truck. It's silver. Let's say it has a 3-liter V6 transmission, automatic. The VIN, whatever your VIN is, whatever your 17-digit code is. Then the price. For say it's 4,500. Then I'll put 2 zeros, .00 with a decimal. Oh, this is an EX also, or that's what I was just making up. But if it's a certain series or model type, like a trim level, go ahead and put that in there because that's searchable in the internet. And then over here in this right box, this is just like amenities. So if it has power windows, I just put yes. And I capitalize first letter, the rest lowercase, yes. Just keep your formatting the same across every page every time.